So guys, today we're going to be doing a conceptual mass, which is making like an irregularly shaped building on Revit 2017. I've got a level there up to 24 meters. It's going to open up our conceptual mass area, and there we have this 3D workspace over here with one existing level, so we're going to go ahead and throw a few extra levels in there. Going up to 10,000 millimeters there, so 10 meters, and then another one, 10 meters, and then the last one we're going to throw in at about 4 meters. So basically that's where we're going to show our 3D shape once we've drawn the cross sections of those shapes in our levels over here. So we're just going to draw a little rectangle here, just for demonstration purposes. This is the cross section of the shape that it will look like. I'll show you in the 3D space here. That's basically the base of the building. And now we're going to go up to level 2 and draw another cross section. Then once we've done this, we'll go ahead and do the third level, and once those are all done, I'll show you exactly how we join it up. So as you can see there, it's right above it, and we're gonna join those up. So just gonna select them, or we're gonna select that guy there, and then copy it to our clipboard, which is a really useful tool. Now we're going to join these shapes up here. I'm just going to create some 3D shapes here, which is basically like the outline of our building. That's not technically a real building yet, it's just the outline. Just giving the building some shape. And now we can modify it. We can click on the different planes and stretch some stuff and move stuff around and really shape the building how you want it to be, which is pretty cool when you're doing like a concept design. You can just drag these toggles out here, and depending on which face you grab, it does different things. You can really just mess around and do whatever you want. This is obviously just for demonstration purposes. I'm not sure there'd ever be a building like that, but you know, just gotta show you guys what's up. And we're gonna close load into our model. I don't really want to save it, so I won't. And I had an existing one there, so I'm just gonna delete it after I place this one, just so there's no confusion. So you guys won't have that show up in your workspace. And that's what it looks like in 3D here. So now it's in our Revit model, but it's still not a real building. It's kind of just an outline. So I think in part 2 of this, well, actually no, here we're going to show you how to put some floors in on all the levels. But those are not yet structural floors. Those are just almost placeholders. And now we'll go into our massing, and we'll show you that there's actually nothing there when you turn off that. Yeah guys, if you want to see how we now turn this conceptual mass into an actual building with structural floors and walls and some windows and all that good stuff, then check for part 2 of this video. It should be up soon. And yeah, I hope that helped you guys, because that's just a really quick illustration of how you can use that tool to create really any shape building you want. You can use, there's so many different options. So part 2 of this video will show you how to make everything into a proper building.